Run? Why should I run?
Why should you run? Could it be possible that you don't know who I am?
I know you all right. You're Shere Khan.
Precisely. Then you should also know that everyone runs from Shere Khan.
You don't scare me. I won't run from anyone.
Ah, you have spirit for one so small. And such spirit is deserving of a sporting chance. Now, I'm going to close my eyes and count to 10. It makes the chase more interesting. For me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa!
You're trying my patience. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Run, Mowgli, run!
Let go, you big oaf.
Take it easy. Take it. Hold it. Whoa. Slow down. Whoa, slow down. Easy now. Whoop. Easy.
He's got a tiger by the tail, he has.
He'd better hang on, too.
Take that, you big bully!
Let him have it again, kid. Hit him again, kid. Go on.
Below! Help me!
Somebody do something with that kid.
Come on, lads. He's safe now. You can let go, Baloo.
Are you kidding? There's teeth in the other end.
I'll kill you for this.
Let go! Baloo needs help!
Fire! That's the only thing old Stripes is afraid of.
You get the fart, we'll do the rest. Punch and blow.
Stay out of this, you mangy fools.
Yeah. Miss me on my eyelid, did. Yeah. Put his breaking whiskers.
He's a blooming pussycat, he is.
Ha! This should do the trick.
Look behind you, chum.
Well, that's the last of him.
El Stripes took off like a flaming comet, he did.
Well, come on, let's go and congratulate our friend.
Hold it, fellas. Now's not the time for it. Look.